Hello guys, we are starting our daily analysis here on silver chart, the daily time frame as always. What we can see from the past few days here on silver chart is that we are currently ranging from that fair value gap here on the daily time frame to that extreme over here, and we are currently trading into that volume imbalance over here. So at the moment, market isn't giving us that good of information what it wants to do. The same range on the daily time frame is followed here on the 4-hour time frame. Failing to respect any structure, first of all we push to the downside, disrespecting all bullish structure, testing that fair value gap. After it, making an aggressive push to the upside, inverting that fair value gap. Then we are expecting to see a continuation to the upside. Then we again reject to the downside, almost sweeping the lows. Then again we push to the upside. So currently the market is just only ranging around here, so I won't be looking for any trends until we get a bit of a more clear structures. Currently I won't be trading anything over here. Same exact thing is on gold. Since I'm looking them as correlated pairs, I will not trade today as well. Yesterday was a very aggressive push to the downside, closing bearish, testing that fair value gap. So currently we can see either a reaction out of it and push to the highs, or we can come back to the extreme of it. So we just don't have a clear structure that we can use at the moment to enter into a trade. As we can see here, we are currently making a bearish structure, failing to make a new high, making a new low, making some fair value gaps over here, which are not respected, and the price is testing that order block. So currently here, it looks like the price wants to keep on pushing to the downside, but I won't be taking any trades since, as we can see, when we try to make any move to a direction, the price immediately pushes into the other one. So currently, I would just be skipping that day for silver and gold. Euro on the daily time frame, what we can see over here, same exact market structure, same exact range over here, testing that fair value gap, rejecting out of it, and currently trading into the big 4-hour, into the big daily fair value gap. 4-hour is looking bearish. Our target for today will be the test of that fair value gap over here on the 4-hour time frame. As we can see, we're currently making a bearish structure here, pushing to the downside, retest of the fair value gap, rejection, fair value gap, test of it, and the order block, rejection. Now we made another market structure shift to the downside. Currently we are trading into that fair value gap. It was rejected with that candle over here, and we are now aiming to see a push to the downside. So clearly the 4-hour is showing us some bearish momentum for the past few days. So I will be marking Asia session highs, and later on we will be looking at London highs if we don't sweep the Asia session highs. So we will be looking for bearish price action if in any case we have a manipulation above the Asia highs, making an SMT and then a structure to the downside. Pound on the daily time frame, same exact thing, giving us some insight that we want to see a bearish momentum since yesterday made a very bearish closure. Now at the moment trading into the big daily fair value gap. We're gonna see where we're gonna find support from, either the extreme or we're gonna invert it. 4-hour is showing us its hand after that big consolidation over here, a very nice push to the downside, making some zones of interest that should be acting as support for the price, as that fair value gap over here and the one above it. But currently we've tested it and made a reaction to the downside. So for today we are aiming for that extreme over here on the 4-hour time frame. Our same exact thing, kind of a arranging price action over here, waiting for a sweep of Asia session highs or later into today of one new highs, and then we will be positioning ourselves for a sell. That will be it for today, guys. Watching for bearishness on pound and euro. Silver and gold will be skip for today, no matter what they do. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.